So this is a nature hike tent. It's a very good tent for rain camping. The rain is getting heavier. This is what I love. Let me put on this raincoat first. So these are the two poles we are going to use tonight. So I'm going to set it up here. The tap is now set up perfectly. So let's think about making very warm coffee for the stomach because it's very cold. For this adventure, I've only used one pole, so I don't see the need for adding another pole. So I'll just keep this one aside. So I'll take off the raincoat first before we continue. Very amazing raincoat. So the tent is wet inside. I'll have to dry with this towel before we start cooking something delicious. perfect. Now the tent is perfectly set up with a beautiful tap, blue and white. Very nice. So now I'm going to set up my table and chair. Then we begin to cook nice dinner for the night. Stay tuned, guys. Let's continue. Let's put up the gas. So perfect. I'll give it like 5 minutes for the liver to boil together with the rice. Stay tuned, guys, and if you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe. So these are the things that make me have peace, especially when I'm alone in the woods, and it's a very good feeling. If you've never tried it, I think it's good therapy. One should experience. Once you do it like twice, you'll love it, and I hope to do it even more. I would like to travel to more places in the world and experience the lovely nature that God has given us, and we thank him so much for the nature. Like right now I'm just camping next to a river. When it's raining outside, it's a very nice experience. You should experience it one day. As you can see, the Gazwan gas is perfect. The blue flame is amazing, and it takes a few minutes for your food to be ready. I think you should check out this gas. It's on Amazon. It's around $50 if I'm not wrong. So let me make sure the rice mixes well with the liver inside. This is just a recipe I came up with, and I hope you guys will love it. I don't know if you can see well. Let me just bring this light here. As you can see, it's perfect. I think I'll have to add in a little bit of water. Yeah, smelling very nice, very yummy. I think we'll give it a few minutes, then it will be ready. After a few minutes, I'll add in my parsley. then we take it from there. The food is about to be ready. So what I'll do now, I'll add in my parsley, then we can wait for a few minutes. Then we'll serve our dinner. I can feel some mosquitoes coming, so let me use this repellent. This works perfect for me because the bugs don't love the smell. I think if I train to be a chef, I will be a very perfect one. These are just my own recipes that I come up with, and I love them so much. As you can see, we have a blend of vegetables, liver, and this delicious rice. Bon appetit. These are the moments that I cherish so much. This is so delicious. I'm now full. I'll wait for a few minutes and then make mocha drink, a mixture of coffee and chocolate. So this is one of my favorite pots. It's like a pot, but it's made of silicone and steel. So as long as the heat doesn't get to the silicone, you're good. Then you can compress it, then pack it well. So just expand it, then put some water. Perfect. I'll add in. Perfect. Then I'll close. Then we'll start up the stove. Perfect stove. Then we'll put our pot. We'll wait for the water to boil. Then we put in our mocha. Then enjoy. So I'll give it a few minutes to boil before we begin drinking. I think my mocha is ready. As you can see, I'll put it off. Perfect. So let me put it in my beautiful cup. Perfect way to end the day with a hot drink during a cold evening. It's very cold in this forest, guys. But these are the moments I cherish the most. Just chilling alone in the forest, unwinding, thinking about my life, the beautiful moments, and even the sad moments. Sometimes taking time to be alone is very essential in your life. You find a lot about yourself, you understand more about your weaknesses and your strengths. This is like meditating. Just having a time to think about your life alone in a secluded place without the noise. Like this natural noise is awesome. The rain sounds, the river sounds. That is what I love. Let's take the last cup and then we call it a night. Then we have a lovely sleep. This has been one of the best camps for me, and I really enjoyed it. I think I'm going to have a very lovely night. For you guys who would like to support this channel, feel free to check the link in the description and support me for more adventures. And I have big plans for 2025. I'm planning to visit even more places that I never dreamt of visiting. So you guys, you stay tuned, and I hope it will be a good ride. So let me take this last cup of mocha, and then we get inside the tent. Very nice. So for 2025, I'm planning to take more road trips. I'm going to visit places with mountains, rivers, lakes. Where I come from, there are very beautiful places to visit. So you guys, you should stay tuned and you will love the experience. I also plan to start camping with my son, and I think it will be lovely. I want to expose him more to the world, because this is what we'll be living for. I've finished my mocha. Now it's time to get inside the tent and sleep. Thank you for watching, guys. Good night, and see you in the next one.